Hello everyone! Now this guy had a pretty unusual morning. In today's video, we'll take a look at more incredible moments caught on doorbell cameras, which are hands down the best type of camera to capture unexpected moments. Now, let's get it on! Ding-dong ditching is apparently not just for people anymore. This thief was running from the police when he came up with a genius getaway plan to park his car in a driveway and just walk away like it's nothing. Dogs can be curious animals, and this owner's dog apparently really wanted to know what would happen if you jumped out the window.
Oh my god, get back! Clarence! Oh my god! Oh my god!
This guy did not realize his neighbors had a doorbell camera until it was too late. This guy's next visit is probably gonna be pretty awkward.
Your mum's a mean. Shut up. You know, yeah, that's the audio.
It's always important to finish off a great hit with a good celebration. When the delivery guy didn't hide the package from porch pirates, nature stepped in to protect those sweet, sweet presents. These delivery guys from different companies were dropping off packages at the same house at the same time, and they decided to race each other to see who could get theirs there first. If you're gonna help someone who slipped, I suggest you don't run to the rescue.
Jesus Christ! I'm coming! Oh my god! Oh! Oh! Oh!
God damn, honey. Are you okay?
Luckily, they weren't injured. You know, it's not always about how hard you work. Sometimes it's about how smart you work. When this clown pulled a scare prank on these two boys, he got exactly what he deserved and more. Nothing to see here, just your typical dad throwing out the garbage.
Time to throw the garbage out. There's some garbage in there.
These delivery guys spend hours traveling to this house to deliver a fridge, only for this to happen at the last minute.
God! Why will you wait, bro? Don't we wait and set together, bro?
Here's some other delivery guys who probably lost their jobs. This girlfriend came up with the perfect revenge.
Stop. I told you stop playing. I told you. Alright, let's go up.
Why did you do that? Why did you do that? You don't see that you went in me.
I told you stop playing with me. I told you stop playing.
Right.
This this tenacious dog rang the doorbell when his owners wouldn't let him in. When these homeowners ordered pizza, they left a note for the delivery driver telling him to scream to let him know he's there. And let's just say the man understood the assignment. And this man who left a beautiful message to his family through the doorbell camera. You know that feeling when you've had a really bad day and you're finally about to get home and enjoy some delicious food? Well, just when this guy thought the day couldn't get any worse, this happened. And check out this enormous bear who was less than impressed with what he found in the trash cans. Have you ever wondered how bears get their workouts in? Well, here's one of their moves they like to call the bird feeder pull-up. A thief had been stealing packages from this neighborhood for months, but he messed with the wrong man when he tried to steal from this house. When the porch pirate came back for more, he had a moment of instant regret. This aggressive dog ran through a glass door and definitely scared the delivery guy. When a mom and daughter were trick-or-treating during Halloween, a doorbell camera captured this moment of terrible parenting.
I know, it's okay, come on.
Well, at least the mother's wearing a costume that fits her personality. When this guy tried to deliver a gift basket anonymously to his friend's house, he had to cover his face and improvise, but later, the friend sent him this hilarious video. Here's how you deliver packages on your first day at work. And here's how you deliver them after a couple of weeks. This trash can decided it had had enough and was running away from home. After this guy accidentally let the cat out, he had a heck of a time trying to wrangle it back inside. Here's how kids are ding-dong ditching nowadays, implementing the latest technology. Sometimes we just forget that we're supposed to be grown-ups, and it looks like that's probably what happened with this delivery driver. This delivery driver takes out her anger on her packages and cheerfully dances away. I don't think she'll be dancing anymore once she gets fired for this stunt. We've all heard about people stealing packages, but apparently not even decorations are safe. At 4:30 in the morning, these homeowners got a notification about movement at their front door and saw two strangers trying to steal their catalytic converter. But thanks to the built-in siren on their doorbell camera, they easily scared them away. Make sure to comment down below which of these clips was your favorite. And please leave a thumbs up on the video and subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on. Also, make sure to check out our other awesome videos. See you next time!